Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Grassroots Blog. I hope guys you are very well. So today I am telling about the Accenture onboarding latest update that I made the poll generator regarding the Accenture that many candidates have received the joining of a date in 5th of June. So how many candidates just received the joining of date of 5th of June, because many candidates have said that in the comment section also, and send me the message regarding the information about the joining of Accenture on the 5th of May. 5th June, sorry guys. So only just a few candidate have received, the fresher candidate have the joining on a 5th June. So there is a no another option regarding the joining or something like the mail that have received from the company side. So today I'm just telling about the information regarding the how many candidate or how much candidate have received, or and there will be the next phase of onboarding in a June session also or not. So guys, let's continue to the video. After that, firstly subscribe my channel Technical Rajput Blog and press the bell icon for notification. Dear candidate, we are pleased to extend to you opportunity as Accenture of the 5th June 2020. There was another date was given to the candidate, but this was the extended date of the 5th of June. So this is the mail received by the candidate where as you start your career at Accenture. This is pleased to extend to you opportunity to join Accenture on 5th June. So this is a confirmation for the company side that there will be a confirm news regarding the 5th of June joining. So guys, I hope those who received the mail regarding this type of mail, so to get ready with your all document and about the submission of a document. And if you have received any mail regarding this before, any type like the survey mail or something like that having the verification mail, then contact me guys in my comment section also. There was a poll generated by with me in 7 days ago. Accenture candidate who received the 5th June date of joining, only the 15% candidate have received out of the 60 vote. There was a date, only 50%, something like that. 3 to 4 5 student, like something 6 to 5 student have received just date of joining on 5th June, or no one has received the date of joining on 5th June because there was an extent of joining. So many candidate has just still waiting for the onboarding, because it's more than the 8 to 9 month they have not received anything from the company side, like they're having the joining date or like the extend date. Even also they have not responded from the company side also. They have just contact for the HR also, and like that having their mail. There was auto generated mail was sent by the company side, and so this is the information from the company side only, that only 6 to 7 to 8 student have just received, from my opinion, not about the company, I don't know. But this is your only the opinion from the poll generated by the candidate only. So only the 7 to 8 candidate have received the 5th of June of joining. There will be the next phase of joining, I don't know also guys. But as soon as I get the information regarding the next phase of joining, as I contact to the Accenture also, I will send it the mail also. Then I get the further information on the next phases. There will be how many joining will be the possible in the next month. So then I will I will be the inform about so the videos. So I think thank you guys for watching this video. Like and subscribe.